Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to create your own wallpaper with AI in this device. Simply go to settings. Now tap on the option customization. Okay. Now at the bottom you can see the option more wallpapers. Tap on this one. So here you can see under the wallpaper studio tab you can see the option create. Tap on this one. So to create the wallpaper we can select two pictures. Okay, manually we can select the two pictures, otherwise they automatically also we can select the pictures. So according to your choice we can select this one. So here I am going to select these two pictures and tap on the option create wallpaper. Now just wait for few seconds, this is processing. Yeah, you can see the wallpaper. You can set this wallpaper as your home screen or the lock screen wallpaper. Otherwise you can again recreate this one. Tap on the option recreate. You can see, and here you can see one more option, surprise me. If you select this one, they you can see they automatically select two pictures, right? So simply in this way we can we can create your own wallpaper with AI in this device. Just wait for a few seconds. So if you want to set this as your wallpaper, tap on the option set as wallpaper. Okay, now tap on the tick symbol on the top right side. Okay, so if you want to set the wallpaper for the lock screen and the home screen, here I am going to deselect this one, atmosphere. Now tap on done. Now just wait for a few seconds. Go to the home screen. You can see the home screen wallpaper is changed. The lock screen wallpaper is also changed. So simply in this way we can create your own wallpaper with AI in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.